let's say you tell someone they have something on their energy field, they have to get it removed.
Yeah.
You tell them what the steps they have to take, what it's going to be. They decide not to do it. They still have this energy on them, but they think that they can have it removed in some other way. What are some of those common misconceptions of things that rituals people do that think that they feel like they can take off this negative energy on them?
So they say they light a candle and they do it themselves. Okay, good luck with that. You know, continue in your shit land. Come back to me in 6 months' time when things are still the same. We've had that before. We've had people who have gone to perhaps Reiki healers. They haven't done shit all.
I was telling you, my grandma, growing up, I would see my grandma do little funny things.
There's certain things that you can do to clean your aura.
My grandma, I saw my grandma throw an egg out the window before. And I freaked out. And I called my mom and I'm like, what's happening? She just threw a freaking egg out the window. I was like, that's scared. And I'm like, what is that? But my grandma was like very spiritual and very like superstitious. So
you can ward off like bad spirits. So they don't come into your house. Like all cultures have many different things that they do.
When my grandma passed away, I found garlic everywhere.
Yeah, there's a certain sense that bad spirit. So when we're talking about bad spirits, right? This is where people get confused. So when we leave this physical body and we transition into spirit, if you've done bad deeds during your physical time here, but you've not repented, you will escape the light. You do not want to face the light. So you left the physical body, you see the light, you've escaped it. You've become what we know as a trapped soul, an earthbound spirit, yeah? So you're lingering around. You have no place of resting. So what happens is a bad psychic will pull your energy down. I want to say yours, but you know, they'll pull the energy down and they will use that energy to do whatever they want to do, right? Because that soul still has years to live on. You know, it's got nowhere to go. So when you're talking about warding off bad spirits, that's what we're talking about. You know, bad people who have done bad here, but they've not repented and they've gone into spirit and they're still bad. That doesn't change. Yeah.
Right.
So it's to ward them off. Oh yeah. Diany was on 50 Cent music video as well. Check that out, guys. Check it out. And that's something that I told her. I told her that.
She did.
So 50 Cent. Hire me as your psychic team.
50 Cent posted me on his Instagram. And I was also on TV and Annie told me that I would be on TV.
50 Cent, I've got 21 questions for you.
All right, perfect. When you're ready to get that edge when it comes to manifesting, head over to www.manifestwiththemedium.com and have your vibration raised. You can use code Diany at checkout for a discount incentive.